Right now, it's all about the warmth that's out there. It's going to get even warmer still, but the other half of that story is going to be the wet weather that's going to move in, and even the possibility for a little bit of snow. Let's check in right now with the weather watchers, and we got a list here of some high temperatures around the area. You see a 54 for Riverhead, 51 Yonkers, some 50s out there all throughout the area. 54 also Narrowsburg, New York, and about 54 for high temp in New York City today as well. Speaking of New York City, how's that for a picture? Skies overhead, cloudy. Mild still at this hour. It's 49 degrees. What you should be expecting as you look ahead. Well, the temperatures are really going to spike tomorrow. We're talking a high temp around 60 degrees. Heavy rain mixed in as well with your day tomorrow. Temperatures will crash on Saturday, and even the possibility for some snow for some folks in our area. Even a little chance in New York City. But let's start talking about these temperatures and how they spike tomorrow. Take a look at the futurecast as far as the numbers go. 61, this model is saying, at 1 o'clock in the afternoon for Friday, and everybody. Okay, find the low number. I mean, you're even 59 for Newburgh. Okay, 53 for Montauk. Everybody on the mild side. You're looking at a rain event for Friday, but notice that cold air filtering in. What a story this is. Saturday, 6:30 in the morning. Within the same viewing area, we're going to go from just about 60 degrees at Stony Brook to 36 in Liberty. Sure enough, that could have, 36 degrees can support some snowfall. If that column of air is cold enough, possibility taking place for some snowflakes north and west. And then by the time you get to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, basically a good chunk of the area has dropped below the freezing mark. And we could all see some exiting snowflakes as we say goodbye to this system. Now, where's the system right now? It's boy, anywhere from west of Chicago all the way into the western portion of Pennsylvania. It's moving into our area. Tomorrow's a wet weather day. Pretty widespread rain for your morning commute. This is 8 a.m. Not the heaviest stuff. The heaviest stuff will come in bouts. Could see a bout later on in the afternoon. Here it shows 4:30. And then as you go through the rest of your night, Friday into Saturday, it's the same situation out there. Now we start watching the cold air filtering in. This is 7 a.m. on Saturday. Remember we showed you like a 36-degree reading, places north and west? Well, you know what? Possibly some snow flying around at that hour. Eventually, you'll see the cold air sort of overwhelm the entire area, because I'm telling you, those temperatures are going to drop quickly once that wind shift on Saturday takes place, and then you are looking at some snowfall out there. So how much are we talking about? The whole system will be gone by the time you get to, say, 6, 7 o'clock Saturday evening, but you will have picked up a lot of rain, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches for anybody in our area. Snowfall, not a lot. But notice the model's not pushing it a little further south than what I showed you yesterday. Could be a trace for some people, even out on the island, and then you get up to maybe around a couple of inches up around Monticello is a possibility. Here's how we see your numbers across the board. 60 degrees for your day on Friday. 47 on Saturday. That 47 is deceiving. That's going to be, probably recorded at 1 o'clock in the morning. It's going to end up being a cold weather afternoon for Saturday, and then it's cold for sure by the time Sunday, look at that. I've got Sunday's temperatures, barely getting to the freezing mark.
All right. Well,
big swing.
Big in one 24-hour period.
Yeah. All right, Lonnie, thank you.
Sure.